Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So first off, I want to thank everybody that reached out to me on my last video on my YouTube anniversary. Thank you guys so much. Some of you guys reached out to me on Instagram and on Snapchat. Thank you guys so much for the support again. And remember that my giveaway will be going on once I hit 1K. So make sure you guys subscribe and you guys are sharing the video and of course liking the video. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, I have talked about this and a lot of you guys have told me, just make the video, Myra, just make it. So I'm finally making it for you guys. I'm talking about building your own ring light. Yes, your own ring light. You know that little thing, that makes your eyes look like this? Yes, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do that. And I got the lights right here, the ones that I'm gonna be showing you guys today that are gonna be part of your ring light. These were the only thing that I would use to film, and they're bright and they're freaking good lighting. So let me show you guys. Right now I do own two tabletops studio lights, but to be honest, I'm not really feeling in that much. So I'm gonna turn off the tabletops right now. There goes one, there goes two, and we are left with the LED lights on my ring light, guys. So as you guys could see, this is super bright. Again, if you're barely starting out on YouTube and you're trying to find something affordable to make your videos better, bam, this is all you need right here. Okay guys, so let me show you guys right now what I'm talking about. I'm gonna turn on my studio lights now because I want to show you guys my ring light, how it looks like. Let me take it off from here, and this is how it looks like right here. Can you guys see that? I know I look super dark. Ew, nasty color, but this is what I use practically when I take my pictures. I believe this is really good in case you are a makeup artist that takes pictures that you guys post daily. This is like the best thing ever, and you don't even need to spend so much money on freaking all those expensive ass ring lights. Unless you could afford them, then get it, but honestly this is like super cheap. The lighting are very good, and yeah guys. So anyway, so you guys are only gonna be needing 3 things, okay? Before I hit it off on the voiceover, where I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make it on all this, I do want to mention, guys, that these lights, I've been having these for like the longest. I've been having these for the freaking longest, and these have helped me a lot throughout my YouTube journey before I bought tabletops, guys, because honestly I'm not feeling the little tabletops. I'm not. But these were the only lighting that I used on my videos, and people started noticing the big difference on the lighting. My videos started getting better, so yeah. So this is super affordable. Again, you guys could find these lights on Amazon, and the other things you guys can find them at the 99 cents, guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope this helps as many people out there on YouTube. If you're a makeup artist and all this and you're simply on a budget, I hope this helps you. Make sure you guys share this video, because I guarantee you guys, a lot of people are gonna find this useful. Okay, so again guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on my next one, and let's just get started on this freaking DIY. Okay, thank you guys so much, and remember to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. So the first thing you're gonna need is a catering tray. You could find this at the 99 cents, some scissors, and these zip ties. On the next video, I'm gonna show you guys that I really don't recommend the little ones. I recommend these right here, the big ones. These are the ones that I used, and they held up pretty good, so do not use the small ones. Really care, 'cause any obstacle come, you well prepare, and no mama, you never said there, 'cause you have to set things year after year, and if the you love me and compare, you find the school fee and the bus fare. Already pops disappear, in a wrong bar, can't find it nowhere. Steadily your workflow, everything you know, so you're not stop, no time for your dear. Now she got a 6-year-old, trying to keep it. So now for the edges, we are just gonna be kind of pushing these down so they won't be sticking out. I would suggest that you guys put like duct tape around this. I didn't do it, guys, and I cut myself like twice. But yes, just push these down and put duct tape around it, and that's about it. But be very careful when doing this, guys. I fucking cut myself like twice.
Around you, just dry your eyes. From my father's daughter, she just wants a life for a baby. All on her own, no one will come. She's got to